Invokana is a type 2 diabetes drug. People with type 2 diabetes have an increased or higher sugar levels, and because of that they need to manage and extricate the glucose. And there are a lot of type 2 diabetes drugs, prescription drugs that are FDA approved on the market today. Invokana was FDA approved in 2013 and it passed by only one vote because even back then the FDA had serious concerns about the safety of Invokana. And recently, in May of 2017, the FDA has issued a black box warning to be put on all the pill bottles of Invokana and also onto the Janssen website. Janssen is the manufacturer of Invokana. And this warning basically says that Invokana increases a person's risk of amputation of a lower limb, meaning the person who takes Invokana is at a greater risk, 2 to 1, greater by 2 to 1 compared to a placebo, of having a foot, toe, or leg amputation. So this is a very serious injury, a very serious risk that this particular drug increases. And the reason being is because Invokana works differently from other diabetes drugs. Invokana strives to remove sugar from the body of people with type 2 diabetes by overworking the kidneys and having the kidneys pass the sugar through the urine out of the body. But because of that, the body then looks for energy. It looks for sugar or carbohydrates or some kind of energy. And when it doesn't find it, the body starts to break itself down, basically cannibalizes itself and eats muscle and eats tissue. And that causes dehydration, that causes blood volume loss, that causes constricting of the blood vessels, especially in the legs, which increases the risk for these amputations. So if you or a loved one has had any kind of amputation of a foot, a toe, a leg due to taking Invokana, contact the attorneys at the F&A Injury Law Firm. We specialize in these types of cases, and we believe that we will be able to recover maximum compensation against Janssen Pharmaceuticals and other manufacturers of Invokana.